have my road laid down in this area where I want it, but it's not staying in place because I keep bumping and everything. So what I'm gonna do is get it exactly where I want it, and then I am going to tack it down using some straight pins. So just grab a straight pin and then go into the road and into my styrofoam base. So I'm trying to use the ones that have the flat heads on them, not the ones with the little balls, the colorful bulbs on them. So like that one. I mean, I can, but then I have to try to cover those up too. So if I can find the ones that don't have, that are the flat head ones, and then use those, I won't have to worry about trying to cover them up. So this is another benefit of using styrofoam base. So now those are tacked down. I'm gonna finish doing the rest of them and that road won't move.